Hello, brother. Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning.
How are you, man?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Arogya.
Arogya. Wow, what a nice name. What class do you read, brother?
I read in class 1.
One.
Yes.
Oh, good job. How old are you, brother?
I'm
Actually, brother, I would like to ask a question. Do you know that?
yes.
Uh, what is the national animals of this Nepal?
Is a cow.
Cow.
Yes.
Wow, good job. And do you know something about our national animals, cow?
Yes.
Can you say?
Okay.
Okay.
The cow is the national animal of Nepal. It is a gentle and peaceful animal. Many people in Nepal respect the cow and worship it. The cow gives us milk which is very healthy for our body. The cow helps farmer in the field and gives dung that is used as manure. The cow teaches us kindness and care for animals. We should love and protect the cow.
Oh, brother, what a talent you are!
Thank you.